Okay, this is the fried eggplant tower. We want layers of flavors because it gives an excitement to your palate. Hi, I'm Dino. I'm the chef for Tony's Fresh Market. I'm here today in Joliet. We're going to be doing a fried eggplant salad using Alessi products. We're going to pick a nice fresh eggplant, not too seedy. The seeds are nice and tight. Salt, slice, peel your eggplant. We're going to take a couple eggs. We're going to use some Vigo breadcrumbs. I'm using the Italian style here because it has a little bit of seasoning in it. We're going to add Parmesan shredded cheese to that. To the flour, some fine sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to use a blended oil here. So take your eggplant pieces in the flour, dredge it through the egg, right into the breadcrumb here. Drop these eggplants right in there. Brown them up nice and even on each side. The next step we're going to do is we're going to make the part of the salad that we're going to toss. Some of our pesto here. We're going to put about a tablespoon of the balsamic white vinegar, and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Sea salt, blend that all together. And to this, we're going to add 5 ounces of baby arugula. Kind of toss that so it coats those leaves really nice. We have some sun-dried tomatoes. We also have some roasted peppers here. Get them all mixed up. We're gonna start doing our layers here. So you're gonna take an eggplant, this julienne sun-dried tomato and roasted pepper, freshly tossed arugula salad. We're gonna take a few pieces of this mozzarella, and then we're gonna do it again. We're going to use this skewer to hold that all together. Parmesan cheese right on the plate there. And then for a finishing touch, we're going to take the balsamic glaze. I want to serve that with a couple of these great thin breadsticks. And that's our fried eggplant salad.